Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy for those who don't know me. So what I have for you guys today is a shakshuka recipe. So I just changed it a little bit to really suit my own flavors. So I would say it's more shakshuka inspired. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Here's a quick shot of all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So to begin, I will heat up a pan to medium-high heat and drizzle just some olive oil in. And that's where you're going to start pouring in the diced onions. And wait until it's just golden brown, and that's when you're going to add in the garlic. And then place in all your mushrooms in now. And just wait for the mushrooms to soften a little bit before putting in anything else. So this will just take about 1 or 2 minutes. And then you can start adding in the green peppers. Saute it a little bit here. And pour in the diced tomatoes here. And start mixing everything together as evenly as possible so it cooks evenly everywhere. And once everything softens, that's when I would start putting in the tomato paste. And now's the fun part. We're going to start putting in some of our spices here. That was some turmeric, paprika, and some cayenne pepper. And mix everything super well now. And cover just with any pot that fits your pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then that's where you're going to start putting all your eggs in. You'll notice I cracked it first in a ramekin before placing them in. Fortunately, one did break, but I find that by putting in a ramekin first, the egg will cook a little bit more evenly within the pan. And lastly, you put the cover on, and based on how you enjoy your eggs, it's just how long you're going to end up cooking it. Today I was feeling a bit more well-cooked eggs, so I left it in for about 4 to 5 minutes. But if you like them medium done, I will leave it just for about 2 or 3. And lastly, just season with some cilantro as decoration. And there you have it, the final product. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you let me know if you give that recipe a go. And if you do enjoy watching my videos, please support me by clicking the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when I do post new videos. And again, thank you guys so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.